What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, we need to talk about the fact that I'm getting free SHIB every single day. So we're going to break down exactly what my new exit plan will be. Not everything included. We will go through a whole video breaking down my entire exit plan, but I wanted to basically just focus on the fact that I am getting free SHIB. We're going to go through what SHIB's price actually is right now, and we're basically going to go through this information and give you an idea of what my plans may be for the future. So before we get started, guys, hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure you check out some of the links down below if you guys want to be a part of, BTD, buy the dip coin. That link will be down there, and you can always get that coin on PancakeSwap and be a part of that community, as well as joining the Let It Burn community, which we're burning Shiba Inu every single day. Feel free to go and subscribe to that. That will be the first link in the description. Watch an entire video. All of the revenue for that channel goes towards burning SHIB. So if you want to be a part of that and get notifications, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button over there. But let's go ahead and dive into some information, right? If you didn't know, I staked all of my Shiba Inu. I talked about staking 200, 200 million Shiba Inu at the moment. I decided to stake that just because it gives me more value to stake it for a long period of time and gain something while I'm waiting for this to take off in 5 to 10 years. If it's going to take a long time, why would I let it sit there and do nothing if I know it's going to be long term? Now, if I was planning on selling it short term, then I can hold it in there because it makes sense for me to hold it and have it available just in case the price does skyrocket. However, this is a long-term play, especially with all of the burns that need to happen. All of the FOMO buying, all of the hype around it that needs to happen. There's just a ton of things that need to take place in order for it to get to these higher highs. So why have all of them, all of the coins available to me if I'm not going to do anything with it? So first, let's go into what the price actually is right now and where we stand. Right now, the price of Shiba Inu coin is currently at 3100.00003100. Yesterday I went through a video of where it would be if you decided to invest 100 in the beginning and 100 a year from now or a year from then. And it's just insane how much you would have gained just investing $100, which is something that I'm always excited about. But currently, the price is at 3,100. In the last hour, it's down, or sorry, it just flipped. It's actually up 0.5%. In the last day, it's down 6%. In the last week, it's up 53. In the last month, it's up 18%. In the last year, 318%. In the last basically all of the history that it has is 2.1 million%, which is where you would gain a ton out of this if you invested $100. So that's just absolutely exciting to see and hear. Currently, the typical hold time is 77 days. So we're looking for that to push up as well. More people that are holding is always great. You can see here what I just talked about in a year. The last year has been 317%, which is definitely phenomenal. I mean, cryptocurrency just gives you that opportunity. It's not only about gaining 30% or 100%. It's about gaining thousands of percent. And at this rate, 317,000%. The popularity is 10th, so we're still seeing people that are very interested in this. But the whole purpose for you to click on this video is to understand where I'm coming up with gaining 11,000 Shiba Inu every single day. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go into my crypto.com portfolio. This is where I decided to stake all of my crypto, all of my Shiba Inu. And the reason I chose this is, one, it's a platform that I'm familiar with. And two, I was going to go with Binance, but Binance didn't offer it. Binance.us didn't offer the 5% that I saw on the articles that I was reading. But I think it might just be Binance that does it. Now, this can actually end up increasing. So right now, I'm only getting 2% back. It could be a lot more, but I'm only getting 2% back. If I had a higher card, they have different levels of cards. They have like Indigo, Ruby, all of these other cards, right? Geez, cat hair everywhere. All of these other cards. And the higher the card level, the more interest that you would end up gaining, the more APY that you would end up gaining. So right now I'm only gaining 2%. It should be 3, but it's only 2%. And if I invest $40,000 total, then it will be 5%. So eventually we'll get to that point as Shiba Inu does rise in price. I'm obviously staking more, so we will get back to that point. So if we go into this account here, we go into my crypto.com account, you're going to see that in my crypto earn, you're going to see that I have two things that I'm holding, which is CRO, and I'm holding SHIB, which I have $6,200 worth of SHIB, or 2.2 or 202 million coins. Now, if we go into that detail, you're going to see that the total earnings that I had so far in one day has been 11,068.49 Shiba Inu. Now, this is amazing to be able to see this because yes, it doesn't sound like a crazy amount, but as the interest rate goes up, as I have more money invested in there and the interest rate goes up, I end up gaining more. So I wanted to do like a little like quick breakdown to show you how much that would be if I'm looking at holding this for that long and gaining 11,000 Shiba Inu per day. Now, if we go into my Excel spreadsheet, we're going to see that I have a little bit of not a full spreadsheet built up, but I have basically this information here. Don't worry about all of this stuff. I talked about this before, but I have all of this here, which is what you need to focus on. So this right here basically breaks down what I would have per day, per year, and per 5 years. If I've got 11,000 per day for 365 days, because basically it's everyday thing. It's not over just the weekdays. It's over 365 days. I would have 4 million at the end of the year with just 11,000. Now, you know that this could increase if it is 5%, then we can get a lot more. And if I'm holding a lot more, we can also get a lot more Shiba Inu. So right now I'm getting 11,000 Shiba Inu per day, which totals to 4 million per year. And every 5 years, that would be 20 million. Now, if you don't know my exit strategy, my overall plan from the beginning, when it hits 0.007, I'm actually going to sell 20 million. And why am I going to sell 20 million? To basically capture some sort of profit throughout the 10 years that I'm holding it so that it gives me more of an incentive to continue to hold it. You know what I mean? So I gain something out of it. I pocket a bunch of money and am able to put it into other investments and grow those investments as well as Shiba Inu. So that was my idea of doing that. In this case, if it takes 5 years, which I don't think it will take 5 years to get to 0.007, if it takes 5 years to get to 1 penny, which is close to 0.007, then basically I'm getting 20 million coins for free. So that 20 million that I was planning on letting go, it wouldn't be my coins. Like, it's coins that came from the gains that I got from the APY, which is very, very interesting because I'm being paid out this APY, which means that I'm basically funding my first sell of Shiba Inu, or crypto.com is funding my first sell of Shiba Inu. And just imagine how much you're gaining in interest as the price does go up. So it's really exciting to see this, and this is going to be implemented into my plan. And if it takes 5 years for this to play out, I'll gain an extra 20 million, which means 20 million goes out, and I'll still have 200 million coins that are there, which is insanely interesting. I'm just excited about where this could be. And then I would also love to create passive income in that aspect of gaining an APY every day or gaining an APY every 3 months or whatever it ends up being when the staking period is over. And it just fills my heart with excitement. So let me know what you think about this. Do you think this is a solid plan that we should that I should be staking it, or do you think that I should not be staking it? I shouldn't be gaining extra money, and I should be just holding on to it and ready to sell it? Because I feel like that's more dangerous than people staking it. If people stake it, they have no way of selling it because they're obligated to hold on to that position for however long they decided to stake it. So I feel like that's the way to go. Gain money from it. I guess the more people that stake, probably the lesser percentage that they're going to offer you, possibly. I'm not sure. But Anyways, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. As well as if you want to join the Let It Burn community, feel free to subscribe to that channel. It's the first link in the description. Don't forget about my store, guys. I have a Profits Apparel store with not financial advice shirts, Profits Apparel, which Profits will be like my golf apparel as well. We're going to be able to work that in eventually, once the golf channel really gets up and running and gets more views and all that stuff. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I have for you. Make sure you guys hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.